Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school.
Click Manage your Google account. Data privacy, your data privacy option. More option. Delete your Google account. To continue, first verify it's you. Enter password. Next. Delete your Google account. Download your data. Yes. That I am still. Yes. I want to permanently delete Google account. Delete account. Your Google account and all its data has been deleted. Have short amount of time to try to recover it. Recover your account. Email or phone. Next. Account deleted. This account has recently deleted. Next. Account recovery. Enter your password. Next. Success. You undeleted your account. Continue. Gmail. Minimize.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.